Okay guys, I have completed the first part of this work and now I want to show it to you. In this view you can see inside of this piece of the model, you can see all the spheres present inside. I show you in this side. The upper part, upper side. And in this view you can see the pieces in a different way. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 spheres. In this side we have 2 in the upper part and 2 small spheres in the lower part. Is the same in this side. I change the position. In this side is different. I prefer to use this way because I change the side respect to the others, and I think is a good idea. And regarding these spherical tanks, I read the book again and I discovered that I had made a mistake probably. These spheres at the top are not tanks, but they could have been gyroscopes. For this reason, I will go and paint them black, like the ones now present on the ISS, the International Space Station. Now my work will move inside this piece. I thought of putting inside a piece that will act as a guide for the telescope tube, and I show you. This is the telescope tube in this way. This is the telescope tube, and to do this work I will use a piece of this tube that I recover around. I show you. I change the position. You can see it was to be thrown away, but it is useful to me for my purpose. I show you why. Because in this way it's good like a guide for this telescope, I can tell you. On this side I will cut the pipe to the length I need, and then I will glue it in the center on the inside, in this position. I use it like a guide for the telescope tube, like this. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to cut the pipe and then I will show it to you. Okay guys, I'm back. I had cut the pipe and now you can see the pipe, the original pipe with this part. My intention is to use this in this way. I show you this. This is the pipe. This is the telescope tube, and I will use it in this way, like a guide for the Apollo telescope mount. I put this part. Where is it? Okay, I put this part inside here, and at the end of the work inside this piece, I use it like this. I show you with the guide inside. Yes, I think that this idea is good. When I completed this part of the work, I will cover the entire internal part with black. One moment, please. With black. All this part inside with black. I thought of doing this work and I using this color because in reality this covering would have prevented the reflection of sunlight, because there is in the center of this part of the model, or in original the Apollo telescope mount, there was the Apollo telescope. For this reason, I think that the best way to avoid a problem, and because in this way is so close to the original project, all this part I will hit black. All this part, all these walls and the floor. In this case it's floor. If it's in the other side, it's not a floor. The Apollo, the pipe guide, the pipe guide, the telescope tube, and this is the Apollo telescope mount for the SKYLAB original version. Okay, now I can proceed with the other part of the work. Yes, now I think that the best is to cover all this section with a gold paper. This part, this part, this part, and this part. And these gyroscopes, these and the others, I paint them in black, with black paint. Different these small spherical tanks, I think, I haven't idea now. Okay,